Top of the morning, all my lovely people. It's your boy, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots with water and sewer access. Today, I'll be bringing you epic wow content, fresh off the press. This has been requested by a lot of my members of the We Are Land Specialists Facebook group. And today, I will be showing you how to fill out a purchase and sell agreement, okay? There is a couple ways to do this. There is a couple contracts, but before I get into this, go ahead and smash that like button. Drop a comment if you find any value, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Couple announcements before I get into this video is I will be hosting a local meetup here in the Charlotte area. I'll drop the link in the description. It is on meetup.com. The first meetup will be September 24th, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Come out, check your boy out. I do have a JV partnership program. A lot of my students and or members are having great success by finding opportunities, allowing me to evaluate them, put them under contract, and find a buyer. So if you are stuck like Chuck and don't know where to go, I do have my buy box in the description, and also my builder's buy box where we're looking for vacant lots. It's right here. It says hunting criteria. Go ahead and find that, and if you need that, just go ahead and click this link right here to find the hunting criteria. And if you want to submit a deal to me, you can submit a deal right here. Also, last but not least, my email is in the description, people. If you want to send me an email, my email is right here. All right, without further ado, let's jump right in. Ladies and gentlemen, I send my contracts via a system called Pebble. This system is pretty pricey. This is my mail house system. This is where I send my direct mail at. It's mail merge. However, everything that's I will fill out on this contract will be important on your contract, okay? All right, so let's jump right in. Hopefully you can see my screen. I'm going to just pull a random lead, and then I'm going to start doing a contract, a purchase and sell agreement. You can do this via a template inside of DocuSign. For those of you who do not have REI conversion, which will probably be a lot of my viewers, you can create a template inside of DocuSign and merge the fields. Very, very easy to do, ladies and gentlemen. So you do have two options here. The third option is you will have to manually fill out the contract, scan it, email it to the seller, etc., etc., etc. So inside of templates, inside of DocuSigns, you can put all your purchase and sell agreements. I'll just show you what one looks like. Or any other type of electronic signature company, platform. I think one of them that a member of my group said is called, I want to say Hello Rabbit, or I'm not sure. I haven't used it before, but I heard it's free. Dotloop is a free resource. Dotloop, if you trying to do a template, Dotloop is free. You can use that. Try Dotloop. Another one is called, I'm not sure, but let me get straight into this video. So basically, if you wanted to fill out a contract using mail merge, you would just upload the document, which would be a PDF. You'll go to next. You'll put just a name for the placeholder. And then basically what you would do is assign the fields, ladies and gentlemen, okay? I highly recommend this for anyone just getting started. DocuSign could be expensive. Please go to my Facebook group, and I'm actually going to go there now and find the other free alternative where you can also do contracts as well. Give me 1 second. All right, and my member who documents files, Yoshika, which is an admin at my group, she does a great job. Let me see, just go through all her stuff. I want to say it's called All right, maybe I need to stay inside the group because I think that might be her page. I'm gonna try to search the group for uh Rabbit, Rabbit. I know it's something Rabbit. All right, that ain't work out for me. All right, let me see if I search like DocuSign. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen. It's called Rabbit Sign. I'm gonna just click on this link. This is free, ladies and gentlemen. I do apologize for the delay. So basically, you want to use either .loop or something free. You want to get a PDF, okay? All right. So this is free. I was told this is free. I heard it works good. I haven't tried it yet, but check it out. Rabbit Sign, Rabbit Sign or .loop. Let me show you how to do this. You want to basically upload a PDF. What's very, very important on the contract, ladies and gentlemen, is the date. This agreement made this date, which is today is the 6th of September. You would do the 6th September. By and between, this would be the seller. Please, 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 I highly recommend when you're doing your contract, make sure you're going to the county GIS and make sure you're getting both names that appear on the GIS system. If there's one name, great. But sometimes there's two names, and if you send a contract, basically you will not have both decision makers. So like this one, there's two people on this property. So always make sure you're putting the name from there. The purchase price is very, very important. I usually don't put up no due diligence and no earnest money. The closing date right here is important. And you can put basically, this says who will pay the closing. It says who will pay the closing in the following fashion. Typically, I will put right here, buyer to pay all closing costs. I typically pass that savings onto the seller, but I actually get the buyer to pay the seller's closing costs. And then you can do close within 30 days. That's really, really important. So again, these are the fields you will merge. Very, very easy to do. You just text and you can drag. Text, drag, okay? And then you can assign. Text, drag, assign. So let's just run through one of these for you. I'm going to use a template and show you how to do it. All right. The way I do it is not going to be the way majority of the people are going to be able to do it. All right, and I do apologize. The internet is kind of slow motion, but hopefully we can get up to speed here. All right, so basically let's start from the beginning. Templates, okay? Use this template. All right. First person that's going to be the signer, that's going to be you. All contracts are not the same, ladies and gentlemen, okay? But all the terms that you need to pay attention to are the same, okay? So you just put whoever you want to put in here, and you can do, so I'm going to send it to myself twice. So typically you want to put your name at the top and whoever the recipient is. If there's multiple recipients, you just keep doing add recipients. All right. All right. Okay. So very, very important. You got to edit this. Don't push send yet. Go to edit. Next. Next. Now it's time to fill it out. Pardon me. All right. Today is the 6th. Again, all contracts are different, but what's very, very important is the dates, the seller names, the property address, the purchase price, who's going to pay the closing costs, and how long you're going to take to close, and the signatures. Very, very important. All contracts have different lingos. Again, I'm not an attorney, so I don't want to endorse any contract over another contract. However, this is the premise of filling out contracts. Click here, September. All right, let's just go 123 Main Street. Hattie Mae Pierce, Maryland. Hattie Mae Pierce. I love Medea, Maryland. 20744. Hello. All right, purchase price. Let's go $19,999. Total sales price, same thing, $19,999. Due diligence, NA. Okay, what is due diligence? Due diligence is what we call a non-refundable deposit. Earnest money is a deposit that's held in escrow by an attorney. To be honest, I don't even have this on my contract because I don't want people asking for it. 99% of the time, I do not have to put up an earnest money or due diligence. But some people choose to keep it on their contract. Buyer to pay seller closing costs. Please pay the seller's closing costs because sellers want to know how much they're going to net. And you just got to know the closing costs for your estate. All right, let's just say 30 days. Closing going to be 30 days. And we all done. You go to, okay, you want to put the signatures here. Seller signature. You want to put the date here. Signature. Date. Now you can assign the fields. So you can do, of course, both of these are me, but I just want to go through this for demonstration purposes, okay? Next. Send. All right, it'll ask me, do I want to sign? Always review your contract. Look for any errors. Look for any, did I put anybody's name here? I don't think I did. I thought I put Hattie Mae Pierce. Hattie Mae Pierce. Big Mama. I tickled myself. All right. Click here to sign. Voila. That's how you do a contract, ladies and gentlemen. If you got any questions, go ahead and drop it in the description. It's my pleasure to bring you this tutorial on how to create a contract. Last but not least, if you're looking for a free alternative, check out Dotloop and check out Rabbit Sign. Not familiar with it, but my students say you can do unlimited templates. It's free 99, unlimited free usage. I might even switch over to it because I just got an email from DocuSign and they saying 300. They saying 300. So let me see if I can find that email from DocuSign. Here you go. Thank you for subscribing to DocuSign this past year. We hope you've enjoyed it. This thing is $300. So I might, to be honest, ladies and gentlemen, I might try Rabbit Sign out. Unlimited free usage, unlimited templates. Okay, so I might go over to Rabbit Sign and save me $300 a month. So again, I hope this helps you. If you find any valuable content, anything valuable from this content, please drop me a description. Drop me a smiley face. Drop me a emoji, a thumbs up, something. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Again, I got some free content in the description of my YouTube video. If you want to learn how to do off-market land deals, I do have a free course, how to wholesale vacant land with no money. I do have a free cheat sheet, how to wholesale land with no money. If you want to get access to our Facebook group, it's free 99. And these are the majority of the tools that I use in my business on a daily. Again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. I appreciate you. My pleasure. Holla at your boy. Gone like the wind.